Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I have a new OTF knife. I unpacked it only this far. It came in a bubble wrap and plastic bag. And this is my third OTF. I did buy this one, which I showed you before. Leave them open. And this mini Hayri mini, which I took off the belt clip because it was pretty thick, very nice but too thick, and I don't like belt clips. This is this one here, very nice, 1/5 of the original price. For people on a budget, maybe something to look into. And this is this OTF, which uses the removable blades like this, but not this type. This one, it's a different one, and I really like the casing of it. And as you can see, it has another layer of protection here, very nice. It also doubles as a bracelet. And here it is. So let's open it up. I'm looking around my camera here. It comes with extra blades, 10 of them, and this is it. And it's even smaller than this one, and I always wanted a different color one, different than black. It does come in black, I think. What is it, blue? Oh, gray. Black, gray and orange, but I like this one. And I like the hexagon design on it. Look at that. It has a hole to attach on a key ring, belt clip. Wow, very strong. And without further ado, let's open it up. Wow. Haha. And it has the, I think it's 24 or 20, yes, it's blade number 24. And those are surgical blades, very sharp. And I'm sorry, I'm hitting my phone. And with this type of blade, of course, you don't have to worry about keeping it sharp. As soon as it gets dulled, you can just replace it. Very nice action, very easy to deploy. And get some paper here. Let's see how sharp it is. Of course, being a surgical blade, I would not expect anything less than that, and it's awesome. And I really like the design. It has a no blemish. It was just some black grease or dirt on the handle. I mean, and how you change these blades, you just lift it up from the back and push forward. Simple as that. Blade kind of looks a little dirty. Let's see. Or greasy, whatever. And how you're gonna put it on back? Just slide it in. Maybe hold it from the non-sharp side, and then it clicks in there. I mean, I'm sure you have seen this before. It has torque screws. It's very nice. And the machining is very nice. I mean, there is no gap, there is nothing. And it's $20. You can get it on sale even a little cheaper, because I paid actually less than that. but it will, I paid $14.62. It was $17.62, and then I got, I think, a $3 discount as well. And well, right now you would get $3 off of this as well, so it would be $16.83, and you cannot fault this. And I'm not always carrying this with me, but this definitely will go into my, how you call it, the zipper lighter pocket on your jeans. And I will most likely take off the belt clip, but maybe I will leave it on here. I have a black one actually. I might change it out for a black one. And this is really, really nice. I mean, the machining. Oh, play. Yes, I forgot about that. Let's see if we have play. A very tiny amount of play that way, and a little bit that way. But I mean, if this would be another company, you would pay no less than $100 for this. And here you get it for less than $20, around $16, $17, and you cannot beat it. I mean, this is just beautiful. So if you're interested, I will put the link in the description. I did pay for this, it was not supplied to me, but the links in the description will be affiliate links, so I will get a few cents if you order them through there. Adam, you need a new OTF knife. I know you bought 2 of those, and I don't know if you got this one as well. I'm not sure, but yeah, 3 brothers, and I really like this one. I mean, it's like whenever you buy something new, it becomes your favorite, and then until you see something else and you get that, and then that becomes your favorite. But I still love this one, actually. This is great. I like the way it looks. I mean, the blade is just awesome. And it has also Torx screws. And you can take it apart by taking out these 4 screws and the back one. Oh, it has what I really don't like on some of the OTFs, that they have a big glass breaker on the back, and this one has a tiny one. I think it's just a ball bearing set in there. I have not tried it. I don't know how a round ball bearing would be good at breaking glass compared to a really spitz, sharp edged glass breaker. But this is nice, and it's just nice to play around with. Boys, don't do this at home. Do it, buy it, get more than one. And I really like the orange, and I'm glad I didn't get it in black. I might get another one in black just to have a collection in black. But it's just nice. I might take it apart to look into it. It's probably the same as any other OTF knife. Oh, yes, of course there is one significant difference. These have the knobs on the edge, and this one has it on the side. I kinda like this better, to be honest, because this way it's pretty thin to hold on to it, although you can, but this one you can just hold on to it better. And due to the smaller size, this way it's actually, I think, a preferred method, I would say. and I just can't get over the beauty of this. I mean, they just could have made it without these hexagon inlays, but it's so nice. Anyway, if you're interested, check the link in the description below the video. If you like the video, put thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. And if you want to get notified about future videos about knives, electronics that I make, or anything else for that matter, leave them in a comment. And I'm actually also working on a new watch winder design with a bear. I just printed this, I didn't clean it up yet. It has a bearing instead of having the load on the motor, on the stepper motor. This one actually uses a stepper motor with 0.9 degree steps, very fine. And this is my PCB that I designed for it, and I wrote new code for it that you can actually even adjust through your phone to change the settings depending on your watch, or custom settings, how many rotations you want, and you can rename it and which direction you want it to turn, if it's bidirectional or unidirectional. And they are synchronized. Once you start one of them, they all start, and it's just, being picky as I am, it's just nice. My other watch winders that I can show you over here, those are based on the 328, and they are not synchronized. I mean, most people might not care. I just want it to be synchronized, and plus this one is based on the ESP, so I have a web application to make changes to it. Excuse me. And this one is using the TMC 2209 silent stepper driver, and you can little bit hear the other ones, especially the gears in those. Oh, I'm pointing. Those other ones are plastic, and they do wear out and start making noise. I have them running 24/7, obviously, for a while now, and they all started making noise. One more than the other one, but eventually they will. This one will not, because it's a stepper motor, and obviously the stepper motor has bearings on the top and on the bottom. But nevertheless, to keep the weight, oh, here's a bearing, to keep the weight of the shaft, I decided to use a bearing. And speaking of bearing, I'm expecting a new hardware, and I will show you that, and that uses a bearing as well. And oh, and these winders, I have two running on the other side of my table. They are not making any noise, absolutely zero noise. You cannot hear the winder winding the watch. So for anyone who is allergic to noise and says, I don't want to hear any motor running, you won't hear it. So that's this whole design. And I made this new casing because the other one was this one, and I think this looks more aesthetically pleasing. And I made the design with swirls. These are actually only half of the diamond design. I made one with diamond design, and let me show you. Top is cheap, right? So this is the diamond design. Didn't put a cover on the bottom yet. That will follow, obviously. And I kind of like this better. This is transparent PLA, so it kind of, I don't know, maybe a solid color would be better. This is just what I have on hand at the moment, so that's why I'm using it. But this is the winder, and this is how it looks like. And you won't hear it. So anyway, if you want to get updates on that, want to know more, again, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and so you won't miss anything. But the star of this video is this little OTF. Adam, how many do you get? Absolute nice. And I like that plate design as well. Obviously it's not as, say, nice looking as a proper plate or a real blade, but I think it does not do it any negative impression. Plus you can change them easily. You get 3 blades included, and those are, they go like for $1.50 for 10 blades, so very inexpensive. And once it gets sharp, just change it out, and then you can continue to play around. Well, I had some notes on that paper, but this is just fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.